The IHTSDO Workbench was procured in January 2009 and made open source at the end of the year in December of 2009. It represents a total of 10 man-years development. The Workbench is a toolset that enables the collaborative development and maintenance of terminology, mapping of that terminology to other coding systems, and the translation of the terminology to other languages. Reference sets are also supported. They enable concepts within the terminology to be grouped and associated with additional information. Reasoning services are also provided. They enable the classification of concepts in the terminology. The Workbench is currently in use by NETA for maintenance of their SNOMED CT extension and their AMT coding scheme. UKTC are in the process of implementing it to support maintenance and release of their SNOMED CT extension. IHTSDO are in the process of migrating the maintenance and release of the international version of SNOMED CT to the Workbench. This activity is due to be complete in July of 2011. Other member countries include Sweden, Denmark, Canada, Lithuania, and Spain. They will be using the Workbench to support translation of terms to their languages and maintenance of reference sets of SNOMED CT terms from 2011 onwards. Within the U.S. and other countries, affiliates such as Kaiser Permanente and the U.S. Veterans Association have initiated projects to implement the Workbench for maintenance of SNOMED and other internal terminologies. NLM are contributing to the development of the Workbench. Other standards bodies such as HL7 are investigating its use for maintenance of their own terminologies. Major project deliverables in the last period have been various interim deliverables for the translation and migration projects and delivery of a new member's release of the Workbench containing RefSet maintenance functionality and classifier reasoning functionality. A further member's general release is due in early 2011. Key projects currently in progress are implementation of a translation module, due in November 2010, and functionality to allow the migration of the international edition of SNOMED CT to the Workbench, due to be delivered in phases from December 2010 to March of 2011. The international edition will be migrated to the Workbench in July of 2011. This slide shows the major deliveries of Workbench functionality over the next 12 months.